y'all, it's Day and I'm here with another hair video. So I am actually going to try a Twaid Out. I got a couple of requests to try these. I said no, but here I am going back on my word. I'm trying a Twaid Out. For some background, me and Braid Outs do not get along. I can get big hair, but I cannot get definition, and people were like, well, try a Twaid Out. So I'm gonna try the Twaid Out today, and what I'm hoping to get out of it is that more stretched look, but nice defined ends, because my Braid Outs are bushy, but my twist outs are nice and defined. So I'm hoping that I'll get a nice stretched root with a nice defined end. And today I'm gonna be using the Aunt Jackie's Aloe and Mint collection. It is brand spanking new, so I'm gonna be giving you guys a tea on that as well. So, of course, I'm starting off with shampooing because y'all know I'm just a shampoo girl. And this is the Lather Up Stimulating Shampoo Cream. And it really does come out creamy, and it was easy to go through and start breaking up some of the tangles and knots in my hair. Now, this collection is to stimulate the scalp and promote hair softness. So I did make sure I rubbed my scalp quite a bit because I love that feeling of when my scalp pores are just so open. It's very refreshing for me. I enjoy it. And not only does this collection have aloe and mint in it, this shampoo also has apple cider vinegar in it to help remove buildup, impurities. And with that being said, on a range from moisturizing to clarifying, I wouldn't quite label this a clarifying shampoo, but it was more on the clarifying end. This really did a good job stripping all the product off of my hair. However, my hair did not feel dried out when I rinsed it. Now, I did follow it up with the Cool It Stimulating Moisturizing Conditioner. This one has lemongrass and rosemary, and the collection does advertise for an aromatherapy experience, and I love the smell of lemongrass. Like, that's one of my favorite essential oils, so I love the smell here. It's really light, like just a hint of it and not overbearing. It's just enough to enjoy the scent and go on about your way. So I applied this conditioner, and I'm going to say this is really like a deep conditioner. I applied this all over my head, and it instantly re-softened my hair up. And it was so easy to finger detangle with this. There's a lot of slip in this conditioner. And I put a plastic cap on, sat under the dryer for about 15 minutes, and this happened. I just want to pause and have some curl appreciation courtesy of this stimulating moisturizing conditioner. Y'all, one thing about Aunt Jackie's, they are not going to let you down when it comes to the moisture, because look at it. I mean, this look like wash and go ready. It looks wash and go ready, and I just rinsed out this conditioner. Do not have any product on my hair. About to apply the leave-in conditioner, but y'all, I just kind of want to see what it do. I might do a video like that one day. Just put the conditioner on and see what my hair does for the week, because I really don't even want to touch it. But we're gonna do this Twaid Out, but I really don't want to touch it. Okay, so back to the products. Next, I applied the leave-in conditioner, which is the Hydrate Me Leave-In Conditioning Cream with aloe mint, hemp seed, and marshmallow root. And if you know anything about marshmallow root, that means there's going to be a lot of slip. And this leave-in conditioner definitely brought the slip for me. This is why I tell y'all to look up and know your ingredients. Take your favorite products and even your least favorite products side by side one day and just compare the ingredients. I guarantee you, you will find some commonalities, and you'll learn some things that you can keep in your rotation and some things you can stay away from when you're shopping for products. I already know marshmallow root and my hair get along, so I was all in for this. Now pause real quick. Does anyone else's hair clips ever get stuck in their hair like this? Like, I hate it, and I be feeling like I'm about to pull all of my hair out, and it really got stuck in there so good this time. I actually got scared. I had to cut the camera off and go check the mirror to get it out. Like, oh my god, y'all, it's really like not coming out. Like, oh my god. Okay, got it out. Anywho, yeah, moving along to this Twaid Out. My style of today is the Flawless Pattern Perfecting Pudding enhanced with Manuka honey, and my A1s already know honey is my favorite product ingredient to shop for right beside avocado because I know the moisture is about to be lit. So I applied this all over generously for a strong hold because I'm about to be braiding half of my hair and my braid outs just be so bushy. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm working on perfecting it because I feel like it's me. It's not the braid out itself, it's me. And I just want to give myself the best opportunity to have defined curls, so I am applying this generously. Now for this Twaid out, I braid about 50 to 60% of the way down. So you know how you have 3 strands for your plaits, right? Well, the strand that's in the middle, when it's time for me to go ahead and start twisting, I split the strand that's in the middle of the 3 in half, and then I add one half to the left strand in my hand and then the other half to the right strand in my hand. So now I have my 2 strands and I begin to twist. Now for the braids, I'm trying to pinch each strand so that the strands of hair are laid flat between my fingers as I'm plaiting, whereas before I was kind of doing that wrapping thing with my twist and it just wasn't working for me, sis. So I'm trying to do something different, and I really think that this is working because I did a braid and curl a week or 2 ago and my roots were actually not that bushy. And I also think that working in bigger sections for me with braids work better too because the curls are not as small, so they're not as like crinkly and easily to get undefined. And I think, keyword here being think, I think I'm starting to perfect my braid outs too, y'all. So the trick for me to have defined twist outs is for me to kind of wrap the twist like a bantu knot or like you're doing rope twist as I'm twisting. That makes the twist tighter for me and gives me more definition. So yeah, go ahead, plait about 50-60% of the way down and then twist towards the end. And the reason why I said 60% is because the plait for me is just to get elongation, and I just need my ends to be defined so that I look like I have super definition. So that was where that ratio came from. And I did do this Twaid out all over, and this is the next day, and y'all don't mind my eyeshadow. I was trying something new, and this was just out of my skill level, and my blending just turned into one shade, and we not gonna even get into that. That's okay, I'm still learning. So, I did sit under a dryer for 30 minutes last night because for me personally, I feel like it helps my hair set and I absorb product better. It's not mandatory, it's completely optional. That's just my preference. And I also air dried the rest of the night, and as you guys can see as I'm taking down, the curls so far ain't coming out half bad. And I'm gonna just go ahead and spill the tea right now. This Aunt Jackie's Aloe and Mint collection is probably my favorite Aunt Jackie's collection. I gotta use it a couple more times and compare it against the Grapeseed collection, but I really think this is about to be my new favorite. I love a good collection that not only thoroughly cleanses the buildup, but also redeposit that moisture back on it. And the definition, y'all just watch. Oh, and one more little tip. When I separated these, I found it was best to separate at the ends where the twist was, which makes sense because you want your ends to be most defined. That gives the illusion of definition all over. When the roots are bushy but the ends are defined, you can kind of get away with it. And even though my ends are a little bushy right now because I need a haircut, they still turned out really, really good. And y'all can see the definition from root to end. Okay, so I'm all separated and I'm fluffed out, and this is the final results. And I must say, I do like this Twaid out, and I do see a difference between the twist out versus a braid out. And basically, it's a stretch twist out, y'all. I said this in the beginning, and that's what it is. I did not have to do nearly as much fluffing as I do with the twist out, so I didn't have to stretch as much. So I will be doing this again just because it's less manipulation on my hair. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what other products and hairstyles you guys want to see. If you guys have tried a Twaid Out before, let me know. If you guys are interested in trying the Aunt Jackie's Aloe Mint collection, also let me know. And yeah, hit that subscribe button too, and I'll see you guys in the comments. Bye!